lightweight material. It is widely used in industry because it is easy to manufacture and mold. It is economical and can be combined with other materials. Plastic is an organic material. The raw material used to produce plastic are natural products such as cellulose, coal, natural gas, salt, and oil. The types of plastic are polyethylene terephthalate, high-density polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, low-density polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, and others. What is the problem? The problem is single-use plastic. Single-use plastics are those that are used and discarded. They have a maximum of 2 uses, but ultimately end up in ecosystems and are not recycled. For example, disposable plates, plastic cigarettes, cotton cups, plastic food containers, and packaging.
As we know, plastic have become the main manufacturing material in our times. It is very easy and very cheap to produce. We will now explain some of the causes. Number 1. Overconsumption of plastic. Probably the main cause, since nowadays it is not uncommon to see how much of the product we buy are made of or contain plastic. Our food is wrapped in many plastic and we buy more plastic to take home, such as plastic bag. In addition to this, there are also single-use plastic, such as plastic bag and bottles, glasses, plates, and disposable clothing. These plastic products are easy to make, easy to use, but very difficult to dispose of. Number 2. Poor management of plastic waste. Although recycling is good in itself, as it is a corrective and preventive measure against pollution, it is not enough to prevent plastic from ending up in the oceans, the land, or the rivers. It should also be added that not all plastic can be recycled. Number 2. Poor management of plastic waste. Although recycling is good in itself, as it is a corrective and preventive measure against pollution, it is not enough to prevent plastic from ending up in the oceans, the land, or the rivers. It should also be added that not all plastic can be recycled.
In Bogota, plastic generates a great problem in the city, mainly coming from the different rivers that run through the city, where the main organic loot that is poured is from the Fucha River, being 590 tons of solid per day, which will eventually flow into the Bogota River, where it currently receives 1,329 tons of solid waste per day, being the largest source of the plastic. The Bogota River is the main river bed of the Bogota Savanna. It flows into the Magdalena and reaches the Caribbean Sea. Therefore, it is environmentally important. Because of its contamination, it has generated that several species of fish have disappeared and are hostile environment for the development of life due to their low oxygenation and high toxic content. Another consequence is the bad waste of plastic, which in turn generates sewer plugging in Bogota, which during the rainy season generates flooding. Finally, the degradation of plastic waste and garbage releases methane and greenhouse gas, which is one of the major causes of global warming, especially in Bogota, due to its garbage storage.